Hello guys, welcome to this new class. Today we are going to learn how to use these two modal verbs, may and might. So let's go. Okay, as we said, may and might are modal verbs. And we use these two modal verbs to express possibility in the future, to give, not to give, or to ask for permission, and to express wishes. We use these two modal verbs to express these three things. Okay, now let's look at the structures in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form for using these modal verbs. The affirmative form is subject, the modal verb may, a verb in infinitive, and the complement. Here we have an example of a sentence. They may play tennis with you tomorrow. Okay? This is for affirmative form. Now, for the negative form, we have the subject, then the modal verb may, and the negative particle not. Then the main verb in infinitive form and the complement. So, the sentence would be, they may not play tennis with you tomorrow. The only difference between the affirmative and the negative form is the negative particle not. And now for the interrogative form, we have that the structure is may, the modal verb may, plus the subject, then the main verb in infinitive, the complement, and the question mark at the end. So here we have an example. May they play tennis with you tomorrow? Now for might. For the affirmative form, we have subject, the modal verb might, the main verb in infinitive form, and the complement. For example, she might sing at the contest the next month. For the negative form, we have the subject, the modal verb might, and the negative particle not, then the main verb in infinitive form, and the complement. The only difference between the affirmative and the negative form is the negative particle not. She might not sing at the contest the next month. And for the interrogative form, we have first the modal verb might, then the subject, the main verb in infinitive, the complement, and the question mark. For example, might she sing at the contest the next month? As you can see, we changed the places of the modal verb and the subject. Now, we use may or might to express possibility in the future. We use may or might to express that it's possible that something happens in the future. But now, may represent a higher chance that an action occurs compared with might. As we can see here, may represent, for example, a 70% of possibility, while might represents a 40% of possibility. That is the difference between may and might. When we are talking about or when we are expressing possibility in the future. Okay, here we have 4 examples to see the difference between the use of may and might when we want to express possibility. He's very good. I think he may win the competition. I say this when I'm sure of what I'm saying, that I'm sure that he will win the competition in the future. He may still be angry after his team lost. I'm saying this because I'm sure, because there is a higher possibility that this is real, or that this will be real in the future. Now, with might, it might rain later. When we use might, it means that it is possible that it will rain, but I'm not sure. Okay? I might go to the movies tonight. I'm not sure. Maybe I will go, maybe I will not go. Okay, now we use may first to give permission. To give permission to somebody for doing something. For example, you may leave the table once you have finished your lunch. We're giving permission for leaving the table. You may take only one cookie. We are giving permission for taking cookies. If you have finished the exam, you may leave the classroom. Okay? So we use may to give permission in sentences. We use may also to not give permission, to deny the permission. Okay? For example, you may not park your car in front of the gate. We are not giving permission for parking the car. Or, you may not take more than one cookie. We are not giving permission for taking 2 or more cookies. And we also use may to ask for permission, to make requests. For example, may I sit next to you? We are asking for permission for sitting next to somebody. May I borrow your pen? We are asking permission for taking or for borrowing a pen. May I use your bathroom, please? Now, we use may to express wishes. For example, or to express something that we want to happen or to occur. For example, may you both live a long and happy life together. We wish that these people live a long and a happy life together. So we use may to express our wishes. May the new year bring you love and happiness. We wish that the new year bring them love and happiness. May all your wishes come true. We have the wish that all their wishes come true. Okay guys, thank you very much for paying attention. I'll see you later in a new class. Hope you like this. Bye bye.